Okay, so you can just see in the background is our room here. So we're at the Buenavista this week. Weather's been pretty good so far, no complaints. Anyways, let's spin around and take a look at the surroundings and inside the room entrance. Just off to the right is the patio. You can see stairs going up to the upstairs room. We have the downstairs room. And just right across the walkway here is the kind of main restaurant, and that's for breakfast and lunch. Dinner is closer to the main area where the lobby and the pool is and all that. And there's a boardwalk down to the third time here altogether. And actually we've got the same room that we had the first time we came. So it's kind of interesting. And get an excellent view of the ocean from here. And this is considered not a ocean view room, but we still get a pretty decent ocean view room, or ocean view, I should say. It's a little sitting area here. It's a very large room, coffee table. This is the mini bar area in here. You can see some glassware, some coffee, some beers, some kind of pop. And let's take a look around the rest of the room here. We've got a decent size king bed, which is good size. Got a phone, some light switches next to there. Lots of outlets here. This is a good spot to put all your portables. You can charge them. Now, even though it says 220 volts, most of the charger you have, you can see it's also friendly to a 110 North American plug, little plug in there. And most of the chargers are dual voltage. Shouldn't be an issue. Another nightstand here. And okay, so we walk in the next section here. This is the bathroom area. There's a sink, some towels. Over here is a good storage room. So this is where we'll put our safe, some drawers to put our clothes in, some other drawers here. We got some spare pillows, a blanket, some rugs, which is nice. And on the next section of the bathroom here, we've got a tub, which we used once in a while. It takes a while to fill up, but it is nice when you get it filled up. Here's the toilet area. Got a bidet, toilet paper. I mean, there's pretty good. And now this is really cool. It's one of my favorite features of this room is an outdoor shower. Now it's protected, no one can see in, but it is kind of cool to have a shower outside. You can see the blue sky up there. There's a little protection screen here. And that looks a bit new, actually. I don't remember there being a cushion on there before. Looks kind of new. Some bath towels over here. Miss those on the way in. Okay, so let's go take a look out on the balcony there. It's pretty windy, so there's probably going to be a fair bit of wind noise on the mic, unfortunately. It's a bit of an exercise to pull that door open. It's actually, the wind's not too bad out here. I'm going to zoom in on the waves there. You can see there's a bit of white caps here. Hopefully the water's calm enough around the other side there so we can do some snorkeling this week. I guess we'll find out as the week goes on. Okay, well, thanks for tuning in.